Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 8, Video Part 2. Question number 15. Perimeter of a square is 60 centimeter. Find the area of the square. The perimeter of the square is given P equal to given 60 centimeter. So we know that perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. That is your 60 centimeter. So A will be your 60 divided by 4. This is your 15 centimeter. Area of the square, how can you find out? A side multiply by side. So 15 multiplied by 15, that is your 225 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. So 15th answer will be option B. Question number 16. Look at the following figure. ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle whose length and breadth are 16 centimeter. This is your 16 and 14 centimeter respectively. Inside the rectangle ABCD, there is a circle. This circle is given. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. We have to just find the area of this shaded region. So very simple it is to find. How? First we will find the area of the rectangle and then we find the area of the circle. And if we just remove the area of the circle, we will find the area of the shaded part. Okay. So first write area of rectangle will be 16 multiplied by 14. That is your 224 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of the circle is equal to pi r square or it is pi by 4 d square. Okay. If diameter is given. So here we can see from here to here the length will be equal to the breadth of the rectangle है ना. This will be also your 14 centimeter. ये भी आपका 14 हो जाएगा. So here we can write pi by 4 d square. So this is your 22 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 4 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So 22 multiplied by 7 you will get 154. So area of the shaded region, this will be area of rectangle minus area of circle, that is your 224 minus 154, this is your 70 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. So 16th answer will be option A. Question number 17. Perimeter of a circle is 1.1 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. Perimeter of the circle means circumference of the circle. So C equal to, we know that 2 pi r. Okay. So r will be equal to, circumference is 1.1 divide by 2 pi. We can write it as 1.1 upon 2 multiply by 22 multiply by 7. Okay. I have applied the fractional division rule here. Okay. So after simplification, if you just remove 0 from here, so 11 ones are, 11 twos are 20. Now it will be 7 upon 40 centimeter. R is 7 upon 40 centimeter. Now area of the circle, we know that pi r square. R we have, it will be 22 by 7 multiply by 7 by 40 multiply by 7 by 40. 7, 7 cancel, 11 and here 20. Now it will not be simplified more. So 77 upon 800. After converting it into decimal, you will get 0.09625 centimeter square. It is in the option number D. So 17th answer will be option D. Question number 18. Base of a triangle is 2 centimeter more than the height. If height of the triangle is 12 centimeter, H is given 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Okay. H 12 centimeter, base will be 2 more than this. So 14 centimeter. Area of the triangle will be your 1 by 2 base into height. So 2 sevens are 8 and 12 sevens are 84 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. 18th answer will be option B. Question number 19. Perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. If length and breadth of the rectangle is this, find the area of the square. Okay. So first find the perimeter of rectangle. This is your 2 into L plus B. So 24 plus 20. So 2 into 44, that is your 88 centimeter. We know that PR equal to PS equal to 88 centimeter. And perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by A equal to 88 centimeter. This implies A equal to 22 centimeter. Now area of the square will be equal to A multiplied by A. So this is your 22 multiplied by 22. That is your 484 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. So 19th answer will be option A. Question number 20. Look at the following figure. ABCD is a rectangle. Find the area of the figure. इस पूरे का निकालना है आपको area. So this is very simple. Area of the figure will be area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. तो area of the rectangle हो जाएगा आपका 6 multiplied by 8 since we know that it is length multiplied by breadth. And area of a triangle हो जाएगा half into base. Base is 5 here. Okay, I am directly writing here 5 and height will be the breadth of the rectangle. That is your 6. So 2 3s are 6. 8 6 are 48 plus 5 3s are 15. So 48 plus 15 you will get 63 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. So 20 का आंसर हो गया आपका ऑप्शन. Okay. Come to question number 21. Look at the following figure. Diameter of the circle is 8.4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So how can we find the area of the shaded region? We have to just find the area of the circle and then we will find the area of this rectangle. इस rectangle का area निकालेंगे by finding the area of these two triangles. ठीक है? And then we will just subtract it, so we will get the shaded parts area. ठीक है? So first find the area of the circle. Area of the circle will be pi by 4d square. Here it is pi 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1 by 4 multiplied by 8.4 multiplied by 8.4. 7 12s are to 1.2. 4 3s are 0.3. After multiplication, you will get 55.44 centimeter square. This is the area of the complete circle. Okay. Now area of the quadrilateral. ठीक है, area of the quadrilateral जो यहाँ पर आपका दिया हुआ है. It will be the area of triangle ABC. तो half multiply by 8.4 multiply by 3 plus half ADB. 1 by 2 multiply by 8.4 multiply by 4. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. So 4.2 multiply by 3 plus 4.2 multiply by 4. After multiplying and adding, you will get 29.4. तो area of the shaded part क्या हो जाएगा आपका? shaded part will be equal to 55.44 minus 29.4. This is equal to 26.04 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. The 21 answer is option A. Question number 22. Look at the following figure. Okay, it is little bit same as the previous question. Okay, AC and BD are the diameter of the circle which intersect each other at the center of the circle. If diameter of the circle is 91 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So here we will repeat the process. What we will do? First we will find the area of the circle. Area of the circle हो जाएगा आपका pi by 4d square. I am just writing it directly. Pi is 22/7 by 4 हो गया 1/4 और d यहाँ दिया हुआ आपका 91 multiplied by 91. After simplification, you will get 6506.5 centimeter square. Now area of the square. If any square is inscribed in any circle and its diagonal is crossing at the center of the circle, then the area of the square will be half multiplied by the product of the diagonals, that is your AC multiplied by BD. ठीक है, तो हाफ AC हो जाएगा आपका 91, BD भी हो जाएगा आपका 91. After simplification you will get 4140.5 centimeter square. But we have to find the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part हो जाएगा आपका 6506.5 minus 4140.5. This is equal to 2366 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. The 22nd answer is option B. Question number 23. Area of the square is 100 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of the square. I think you can do. This question is very simple. Just pause the video here and solve this question. Answer the question in the comment section and then check what I have solved here. You have done it correctly or not. Okay. So let me do it. Area of the square is 100 centimeter. So A multiply by A, that is your 10 multiply by 10 we can write. Okay. A will be equal to 10 centimeter. Perimeter of the square will be 4 multiplied by area. That is your, 4 multiplied by side. That is your 4 multiplied by 10. तो ये हो गया आपका 40 centimeter. It is in the option number D. The 23rd answer will be option D. Come to question number 24. Area of a square and rectangle is equal if length and breadth of the rectangle is 20 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the difference between the perimeter of the rectangle and the square. Okay, areas are equal here. So first we will find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. That is your 20 multiplied by 5 equal to 100 centimeter square. Area of rectangle equal to area of square, that is your 100 centimeter. So we can write side will be 10 centimeter. ठीक है? And if the side will be 10 centimeter, then perimeter of the square will be equal to 4a, that is your 40 centimeter. And perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, 20 plus 5, that is your 25 multiplied by 2, 50 centimeter. So here difference between the perimeter of the rectangle minus perimeter of the square equal to 50 minus 40, that is your 10 centimeter. It is in the option number D. So 24 answer is option D. Question number 25. Perimeter of a rectangle and a square is equal if length and breadth of the rectangle are 9 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Which one of the following has the greater area? Okay, perimeter is equal. So first find the perimeter of the rectangle. It will be your 2 into 9 plus 8. That is your 34 centimeter. ठीक है, So PR, perimeter of rectangle, equal to perimeter of square, that is your 34 centimeter. So side will be 34 divided by 4. We can write 8.5 centimeter. Okay. Now area of the square. Area of the square is 8.5 multiply by 8.5. Since we know area of the square is side multiply by side. So this is your 72.25 centimeter square. Okay? And area of the rectangle will be your 9 multiply by 8. So 9 8s are 72 centimeter square. So whose area is more? So we can just check area of the square is more. Answer will be option B. 25th answer is option B. Okay? Question number 26. Look at the following figure. Area of the triangle is 144 centimeter square. Find the value of y. Okay. So area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiply by base, that is your 8, multiply by height, that is your y. So 2 4s are 8. So here we can just write y equal to 144 divide by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 36 centimeter. Y will be 36 centimeter. 26th answer will be option B. Question number 27. Find the perimeter of the following figure. So perimeter of the following figure, we know that perimeter of any shape, any figure will be the length of the outside boundary. So 4.5 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. Here you will get 24 centimeter. It is in the option number D. The 27th answer is option D. Question number 28. Area of a triangle is 150 centimeter square. If base of the triangle is thrice of its height, find the length of the base of the triangle. So we know that area of a triangle is half into base into height. And here it is written that base of the triangle, it means B equal to 3h, thrice of the height. So 150 will be equal to 1 by 2 into 3h into h. This implies h square equal to 150 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 50. So h will be equal to 10. How? Because 52 is 100 and 10 multiplied by 10 will be 100. H equal to 10 centimeter. Question is asking for the base. So B equal to 3H, that is your 30 centimeter. It is in the option number C. The 28th answer is option C. Okay. Hope you enjoyed all the questions explained here. If you find any question difficult, to mention it in the comment section. Or if you find all the questions very easy, then just write which one you found very easy and which concepts you got here. Okay. And stay tuned for the third part of the video. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.